Hello guys, welcome to my channel, and today I am going to do Word Chapter 4 Simulation Training. Basically, this is the fourth chapter of Word section of this Pearson course. In this video, I will be doing this simulation training step by step. I will solve all the questions and you can get your simulation training done by watching this complete video. But if you want me to do this complete course for you, including all the Word, Excel, PowerPoint or Access assignments, simulation trainings, simulation exams, or quizzes, midterm or final, then you can contact me and you can hire me. You can also hire me for your other courses like accounting, management, finance, information technology, computer sciences, all other writing assignments, mathematics or statistics. So please reach me out through WhatsApp or email showing at the bottom of the screen. So first of all, we will click on launch button to launch this training so that we can solve the questions. Okay, let this open first. So this is loading. Okay, so total questions to solve in this Word Chapter 4 simulation training are 9, and you can see the question at bottom right of the screen. So first question is saying select all the document text, change the paragraph spacing before to 0 and the spacing after to 0 point. So to select all the text in the document, we will press and hold the control button and select A, control plus A. So all text will be selected. Okay, then go to the home tab in paragraph, click this arrow to launch the paragraph dialog box launcher. Go to spacing, you can see the spacing before is 6 point, make it 0, spacing after is 6 point, make it 0 and click OK. Then it is saying click after the ending quotation mark and before the ending period in the second sentence of the first body paragraph. Ending in string about out of doors. Let me look for this one. Here. So we are supposed to click after the quotation mark but before the period. Then it is saying insert a citation for a new source by selecting book selection. Go to reference tab, go to insert citation, click add source, and the source is book section. Okay, author, add typing in the author. Author is also given. Okay, this is author. Okay, then a white heron in the title. Okay, white heron. Okay, and the American tradition in literature, the book title field. So this is the author. Okay, a white heron in the title field, and the American tradition in literature, the book. Oh sorry, we are supposed to make it book section. Okay, book author. Okay, then book title field is the American tradition in literature. Okay, then in the create source dialog box, complete the source information, enter 2019 in the year 2019. Okay, pages are given, that is 531-537. Okay, then New York in the city, New York in the city, and MC Graw Hill, in the publisher, create source. Okay, we have created the source. Insert citation of the word Salvia's conviction holds firm and before the period in the first body paragraph. On page 1. Let me look for this sentence. Okay. Before the period, click before the period here. Go to insert citation and we are supposed to insert a citation that is also given this source. Okay. Added the parenthetical Javid citation display after the word string about out of the doors. Here, added citation and include the pages number 532. Okay, do not surpass the author. Click OK. Using the edit citation dialog box, added the Javid citation display after the word Salvia conviction. Okay, so we are supposed to also edit the citation and 537. Click OK. So that is all about question number 1. So now we are supposed to do next question, that is question number 2. Position the insertion point at the end of the document and set a page break. Go to the end of the document and go to Layout tab, go to Breaks and insert a page break. Insert Works Cited Bibliography, go to Reference tab, go to Bibliography and select Works Cited. Select all of the text on the Works Cited page including the Works Cited heading. This one. Okay, change the font of Time New Roman, go to Home tab, select Time New Roman. Time New Roman. Time New Roman, okay. Time New Roman here. Okay, and font size to 12 point. Okay, set the line spacing of all of the text to double. So go to Home tab, go to Paragraph and make the line spacing to double. Remove the bold formatting from the Works Cited heading. Select this one and remove the bold formatting from the Works Cited heading. So and center the heading, so we are supposed to center this. Okay, that is question number 2. So we are done with question number 2 as well, and now we go on to next question, that is question number 3. Okay, click after the quotation mark ending the first sentence in the last paragraph on page 1. This is the first page, ending the click after the quotation mark here. Okay, and in the first and last paragraph on page 1, ending as fairy table, insert a footnote. Click after the quotation mark in the first sentence in the last paragraph on page 1. Ending in as fairy table here. Okay, fairy tale, sorry, fairy tale. Click after the quotation mark ending in the first sentence in the last paragraph here. Fairy tale. Okay, and go to Reference tab, click inside footnote, and footnote is saying Dr. Theodore Hovich is a renowned researcher at the University of Southern Colorado. Okay. Click after the period ending the first sentence in the first full paragraph on page 2. Ending in a disguised villain. Okay. Click after the period after the first sentence in the first full paragraph on page 2. Here. After the period. Here. Okay. Then we are supposed to insert a footnote again. This one. And type Grimm's fairy tales is a classic collection of such stories. Grimm's fairy tales is a classic collection of such stories. Okay. Modify the footnote style to include a font size of, right click on it, go to style, click modify, include a 12 point and Time New Roman. Time New Roman and click OK and click OK. Oh, sorry, close. Okay. So that is all about question number 3. So now let me do question number 4 for you. With the insertion point at the beginning of the document, select center alignment and change the font to 16 point. Change the font color to black text 1. So first, select center alignment, font size to 16 point, and color of black text 1. Press enter 5 times. 1 time, 2 time, 3 time, 4 time, and 5 time. Okay. Type an analysis of a white press enter. This one. Select an analysis of white iron on the cover page. Okay. On the home tab in the font group, click change cases. Okay. And we are supposed to apply uppercase. Okay, we are supposed to select this one and change the uppercase. Okay, this one. So that is all about question number 4. So we are done with question number 4 as well. And now we are supposed to select, so we are supposed to do question number 5 now. Change the markup view to all markup. Go to review tab, go to tracking and change it to all markup. Accept all the remaining changes in the document, stop tracking. Go to accept all the changes and stop tracking. Display the document with no markup. Go to this one and select no markup. And that is all about question number 5. Change the markup view to all markup. So make it all markup again. Okay, click before the word although in the sentence in the first paragraph that begin with although racked with guilt. Okay, although let me look for this one, although here. So we are supposed to click before the word although here. Okay, then it is saying we are supposed to type she is too tender hearted to give up the Heron family to the hunter press space bar. View third comment on the page 1. This is comment 1. This is comment 2. This is third comment on page 1 indicated the citation is to be added. You need a citation for this. Click after the ending quotation mark and before the period in the sentence in the last paragraph ending for the course of action. Course of action. View. Okay, so we are supposed to click after the ending quotation mark and before the period in the sentence in the last paragraph. This is the last paragraph and this is the course of action. So let me look for course of action here. Course of action. Here we are supposed to click after the ending quotation mark but before the period here. Okay, and then insert a citation for new source. Go to reference tab, go to insert a citation, insert a citation and click add source, and that should be a book section. So select book section from here. Okay, in type of source, then typing prop. Okay, so we are supposed to type the author. Okay, in the author field. Okay, then we are supposed to type the title field, morphology, of a folk tale. Okay, year should be 2014, city should be New York. Okay, and publisher should be an Eastern. Okay, 1 second. Let me see, is there any mistake? So we are supposed to select book section, then the author. Oh, sorry. Comma space. Prop. Okay, then morphology of the folk title in the title of a folk tale. Okay, then year should be 2014, New York. And Eastern. ANNISTON, New York, 2014, MR of a folk tale. It is correct one. Let me see what is the mistake. Let me see. Steven. So after typing all of these information, click OK. So we have added a citation. Click anywhere on the works cited page and update the works cited. OK, go to works cited page. Update the works cited list to include the sources. OK, update, select all of the text on works cited including the works cited heading. OK, change the font to Time New Roman. Go to Home tab, change the font to Time New Roman. Time New Roman. Or you can look for Time New Roman. Okay, press enter and font size of 12 point. This one. Okay, set the line spacing of all the text on works cited page including the works cited double. Go to Home tab, go to Paragraph and change the line spacing to double. Okay, click the Layout tab and ensure that the spacing after 0. Spacing after should be 0 point. This one. Okay, point to the third comment on page 1 and click More Thread Action, 3 dots and select Resolve. This is the third comment and make it resolve. Okay, that is all about question number 6. So we are done with question number 6 as well. So now let me do the next question, that is question number 7. Use what to open the PDF document? File, open, browse, and this is the PDF, open this one. Click document folder, click OK. Display the non-printing characters, this one. Click before the paragraph mark following the date here and type here and type June space 15 comma space 2024. Click File tab, click Save As, ensure the file name is browse, change the file name is W0H2 entry form. Click Save. Let me see. Okay, so we are supposed to change this to the PDF and click OK. So that is all about question number 7. So we are done with question number 7. Now we are supposed to do next question, that is question number 8. So we are supposed to do question number 8. Find Word, click the File tab and click Save As. Save As. Select, click OneDrive. OneDrive, click the document folder. Okay. Save the file document, save. Click the share in the top right corner of the ribbon. Let me see, share. Type exploring series at the rate of Outlook 2022.com in the email box and type message, please review the shared document and click send. Okay, close any box. Okay, so that is all about question number 8. So now we are supposed to do last question of this training, that is question number 9. With the shared document open in the Word web, remove the word on from the third sentence. Word on from the third sentence on the first page. With this shared document open in the Word for web, remove the word on from the third sentence on page 1. This one. Okay, capitalize word 1. Okay, change the word components in the second sentence of the second paragraph. Components here to facets. Oh, sorry. This one. Click editing in the word for web ribbon and click desktop. When the document open in the Word, click File tab and click Save as a copy. File tab, Save as a copy. Select the document folder. OK. And display as a name. Click Save. So that is all about question number 9. So I have solved complete simulation training for you in this video. So if you want me to do this complete training, or if you want me to do this complete course for you, including all the Word, Excel, Access assignments, simulation training, exam, quizzes, midterm or final, then my WhatsApp number and email is showing at the bottom of the screen. Please reach me out through WhatsApp or email. And you can see that I got 100 out of 100. So if you want to get best grade, then you need to hire me and I will produce best grade for you. Thank you so much. I will get back to you with another video.